Your control panel just failed a safety inspection. Here's how UL 508A certification makes sure that never happens again. A failed inspection doesn't just cost you time. It shuts down your project, triggers rework, and puts your whole facility under a microscope. At Applied Gray Matter, we build every control panel inside our UL 508A certified fabrication shop from the ground up. That means every component selected, every wire routed, every short circuit rating verified against UL's strict standards before it ever reaches your floor. We handle design review, bill of materials checks, and full documentation so your panel arrives inspection ready. Our engineers work directly with your electrical, mechanical, and automation teams. Whether you're building a new system, retrofitting old equipment, or expanding an existing line, we tailor every enclosure to your exact environment and regulatory requirements. No guesswork, no scrambling before the inspector shows up. Call 315-878-2372 for a free consultation or visit appliedgraymatter.com today.